In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play in Google Vids. Starting off, navigating through new platforms can sometimes feel like you're trying to decode an ancient language. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you have a smooth and enjoyable experience with Google Vids. Whether you're here to watch educational content, engaging tutorials, or just looking to unwind with some entertainment, I've got you covered. First things first, let's visit Google Vids. To do this, simply open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other you're comfortable with. In the address bar at the top, type in the Google Vids website URL, or event better, just search for Google Vids using your favorite search engine. It should be the first result that pops up, but in case you're not sure, look for links that lead to workspace.google.com/products/vids/. This will ensure you're headed to the right place. Now that you've arrived at the Google Vids homepage, it's time to sign into your account. Look for the sign in button, which is prominently displayed. If you're familiar with Google products, you'll feel right at home here. Clicking on this button will prompt you to choose which Google account you'd like to sign in with. This could be your personal account or one provided by your workplace or educational institution. Selecting your Google account is as seamless as it sounds. If you've logged into your Google account before on this device, it will likely show up here automatically. Just click on the account you wish to use for Google Vids. If you manage multiple Google accounts, make sure to choose the one associated with Google Vids. If prompted, enter your password. Remember, privacy and security are paramount, so make sure you're signing in under a secure connection. Following the sign-in process, you're almost at the finish line. To start playing videos, look for the play button, usually located in the top right corner of the video you want to watch. This play button is your gateway to content. It's designed to be intuitive, so once you click it, your video should begin playing without hassle. If you're faced with a library of videos, clicking on any of them will present the play button, or in some cases, the video might begin playing automatically, depending on how Google Vids is set up. As you dive into Google Vids, here are a few additional tips to enhance your experience. The platform is built with user-friendliness in mind, so navigation is designed to be straightforward. However, exploring the various features and settings can help you tailor your viewing experience. For instance, adjusting video quality based on your internet speed can ensure smoother playback. Also, take advantage of any personalized recommendations. Over time, Google Vids learns your preferences and suggests content that aligns with your interests. Lastly, remember that Google Vids is more than just a platform for watching videos. It's a place for learning, sharing, and maybe even creating content of your own. Engage with the content by liking videos, sharing them with friends or colleagues, and perhaps leaving constructive comments. Your engagement not only supports the creators, but also helps in molding a vibrant and interactive community. And there you have it. You are now fully equipped to navigate, sign in, and kickstart your Google Vids journey. From here, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're here for professional development, educational purposes, or purely for entertainment, Google Vids has something for everyone. So dive in, explore, and most importantly, enjoy your time. If you have thoughts or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Your feedback is greatly appreciated, as it helps us bring you more content that you love. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative guides like this one. Until next time, happy watching.